good evening, everyone. This is Madhu Ranjit Singh, and I hope you guys are doing, all of you are doing fine. Um, the weather is very beautiful, and there is a lot of unrest within all of us because of the lockdown and because of the situation outside. But the show has to go on. I always, tell people that Raj Kapoor ji कह गए थे कि the show has to go on. So here today, the topic that I am going to talk about is why should people get their interiors done? So we all have spaces where we stay, where we live, and we also have spaces where we work. Now, I'm an interior designer and I understand the importance of getting interiors done. Now, today I'm not going to touch upon the topic of hiring an interior designer. Today, what I'm going to talk about is why should people get their interiors done, in the sense that whichever spaces they are living in, whether it is their home or whether it's their office, but why should they get their interiors done for the spaces, be it home or office. So those of you who are watching this live, I would strongly recommend, please put down your questions below in your comments and related to what I'm talking about, and I will be answering them, picking up those questions and answering them, though I have a few questions with me. Manasvi, I have a request. If you can go do a watch party from the Facebook live, because I am not able to do it from here. So if you can do that, that would be great. Hi Jay, how are you? Do you have any questions with relation to interiors? Okay, am I audible? सबको सुनाई दे रहा है क्या? Am I audible? Can somebody confirm whether I am audible? Manasvi, have you done? Okay, I'm audible. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Manasvi. Can you also go take this, do the watch party for with this video on Facebook? Are you able to do that? Because I'm trying to do from here, but I am not able to. Okay. Okay. So I am not able to share the watch party. Hi Anshu. So I'm not able to see the comments here. Okay, Manasvi, you can hear me, right? You have an access to my page, right? So just do the watch party on my page also, on my personal page. And just show me a thumbs up, or you did. Just say that you just confirm to me that you've done it. Okay, so let's discuss this as to why interiors, what does interiors do to you and your life, and why is it important for people to do interiors? Now, what comes to your mind when you talk about interiors? Now, I can bet on it that people usually the first thing that will come to anybody's mind when it comes to getting interiors done, or somebody says ki interiors karana hai, yeah, somebody will say ki interior designing, some that word when it resonates. So what comes to people's mind is that I'm okay like this, but it's not required, because it's more interior designing, interiors is more for aesthetic value, which means that your house should look wow. So that is the factor that comes in people's mind when it comes to getting their interiors done. Now, I will break some myths about getting your interiors done and your thought process. So when we get interiors done, what happens is that an interior, when you plan to do an interiors of your space, whether it's your living space, whether it's your residence, or whether it's your office, one thing that is the most important thing is the space planning. Now when we do space planning is that entire space, your space, the entire space, square feet area is well planned. Now when that place is well planned, it is the best use of the space. Else what happens is that your space gets wasted, and we keep telling that ki jagah nahi hai. But if a space is well planned, uh, we take out space from space. So a lot of times in the last 14 years, in my experience, people have actually clients, sometimes they say ये जगह बहुत छोटी है, यहाँ मुझे ये चाहिए, बट ये जगह में फिट नहीं होगा, ये जगह बहुत छोटी है. So we always tell that it is our job to take out space from existing space, which means that आपकी जो जगह अवेलेबल है, पर स्क्वायर फीट एरिया जितना अवेलेबल है, और आपके जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, if we do the planning well, then we can actually accommodate more than what you really think we can. So that's point number one. Point number two is that what happens is that when you actually plan getting your interiors done, with that you also plan out a lot of things like safety, keeping safety measures into mind. Now when you say keeping safety measures into mind, that fixing up, taking a proper planned space for electrical, for your the gadgets, especially kitchen is very technical. So all your home appliances, so there's an inlet, there's an outlet, and so all those kind of things are very well planned well in advance. Whereas if you do not get your interiors done, then in that case what happens is you get your stuff from the market and you have to accommodate wherever you will get space. Now what happens with that? what happens with that is that your house or your office is not very organized. It may become messy, it may look messy, and a messy space uh, affects your thoughts the way an organized space affects your thoughts. So aesthetics, definitely aesthetics, wow factor, and all this is definitely there, but more than that, it is the feeling of well-being. It is the feeling of well-being. Now when I say feeling of well-being, what I mean is that when you have a place which is very well organized, it is easy to clean, all your things are in place, all your stuff is in place, all your gadgets are in place, all your appliances are in place, all your necessary day-to-day things are in place, your papers are in place, your magazines are in place, your you have a charging point, maybe these are like small minute things that I'm talking about, which are taken care of when interiors are planned in a house. Now what happens with all this is that when everything has a place of its own, you spend less time in finding things. One. Two is that you spend less time in finishing your work, because everything is like just there for you. Three, what happens is that it keeps your mind very relaxed, because everything is happening very well, so your mind gets very much relaxed and it's at peace. It only does what it's supposed to do and not get confused or hassled and whole lot of things. So these are some of the things which are make your life much more easy, and it's like more user friendly. Interiors of your house makes your own house and the working space more user friendly, I would say. So let's take an example, say office. So if you have a workspace, and if you do not know, I'll tell you a story, okay? So like say you're going to the office and that office is not at all organized. एक दिन आपको ये डेस्क पे बैठने के लिए बोलते हैं, दूसरे दिन वो डेस्क पे बैठने के लिए बोलते हैं. You don't know where the papers are kept, where everything is kept, and there is no organized way of working. Will you like to work there? I'm sure the answer is no, because when you go there, you are already, your mind is confused, because there is so much happening that your mind is completely confused and you are not given any direction. So similarly, it comes to home as well. So if, say for example, kitchens. Now normally kitchens are taken as like very utility corner of any home. Whereas we as interior designers, and especially inner space interior designing, we specialize into kitchens. So for us, we call kitchens as the heart of any home. So heart of any home, why? Because kitchen according to us is a very technical, is a very very technical space in any home, and it has to be designed keeping all the parameters very well in mind, so that there is a peace of mind while cooking. or while managing. So when the lady of the house or the anybody, cook or the members of the house, when they enter that space, and when they see that yes, everything is in place, everything is in place here, this is the cutlery, this is your maybe the dishes needs to be washed, then a very small thing, but say you have a lot of cookbooks, so you have a rack for only for your magazines and for your cookbooks and recipes and stuff like this. And similarly, you have the other places, in the kitchen, where you have an oven, you have a microwave maybe, or so your entire kitchen is having space allotted for each item or each electronics or each home appliances or each activity. So you have a dry platform, you have a wet platform, your fridge is just about within reach, and your sink, and the placement of each and every item in the space, in that space, is what makes a difference. And when that makes a difference, it brings in peace of mind for you, because you're very well organized. And that's where the catch is. So I would, all the viewers who are watching me right now, who are listening to me, I can see a lot of ladies here too. So I would ask the question that if your kitchen, like where when your kitchen was not organized and when your kitchen is organized, what is the difference? Or when your home is organized and when your home wasn't organized, what was the difference? So there is a difference, right? So did you feel the difference? Please put down in the comments below. If you felt there was a difference, what was the difference? And how did you feel with that difference? So does it make sense to you when I say that a messy house affects your psyche and an organized house affects your psyche again in a positive manner? So it improves your self-confidence, I would say. It also improves your own image. It also improves your relationships. So what if I say that, if you get your interiors done, it improves your relations? How does that? Can you relate with that? Can somebody put down in the comments, do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Okay. So, okay, I cannot see any comments here. If there are any comments, I don't know, because I'm not able to read any comments here. So in case if I'm not able to answer to the questions because I cannot see the comments here, so then in that case I will be answering to your queries, if there are any, at a later stage after my live is over. So yes, what I was saying is that, if you get your interiors done, your life gets more organized, and obviously it does reflect on your relationships. You have more confidence to invite people at your place. You are more confident also, not in terms of only aesthetics of the house, but also because when you invite people, it is very easy for you to take care of them with less hassle, because when you invite people, you have to serve them, right, and give them that respect. And uh, When you are organized, when things are accessible, when your life is very sorted, then it becomes very easy, because you are with your calm mind able to cater to people's needs. Moreover, what happens is that when you are having a very organized house, you have a positive attitude. The colors, the neatness, the each thing in its place, respective places, they all give you that confidence to have that positive attitude, within yourself. So interiors is not only from aesthetic sense as always people think. It does reflect your own personality, and also affects your personality in some way or the other, like the kind of designs that you have done, the kind of colors that you have done, the kind of space planning you have done. Because if the space planning, for example, if I take only the space planning, then the way your space is well planned, it is, everything is just at a reach. Everything is just at a reach. You know where your things are. You waste less time in searching for things. You save a lot of time, and you can spend that quality time in doing something more concrete. And let me tell you one thing, we cannot ignore, yes, having said that, we cannot ignore the fact, the wow factor that comes along with your interiors when you get your interiors done, whether it's home or office. So in office, of course, when wow factor doesn't mean that it has to be branded, it has to be look very upmarket, or it has to have a particular kind of style. Or no, I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is more in terms of organized space. Whatever little space you have, whatever big space you have, whatever may be the space, I'm talking about the organizing that space. And that is what brings in the positivity. That is what escalates your working environment in a positive manner. That brings in that positivity in your office. It maintains that serene environment in the office, and the productivity level goes up. So I will give you one example of one of our projects. So this was one of the projects of a doctor's clinic which we had done. And as I said that for us, we translate the brief which is given by the client into the practicality as well as the human behavior. Because at the end of the day, whether it's interiors or whether it's image or anything, these are all the art and science, which is art and science of behaviors of the human beings. So when this art and science, when it combines together and put forth in aesthetically practical ways, and functionality, keeping the functionality in mind, is where it does the magic. So we did this clinic of a pediatrician doctor, and we have actually made a tree, and under that tree, it's all around nature was the theme. And he actually, his consulting desk in his clinic has a tree, and he sits under the tree and he consults, he takes his OPDs. Now, the feedback that we have received from the doctor is that when the patients, when they are not well and they come, They call him up and they take appointment and then they come. But the minute they enter into the clinic, they automatically, looking at the environment, start feeling very positive and very good. And many a times it has happened that the patients would like to just be there. They do not want to leave the clinic and they don't want to go back home. So this is just a story that I'm sharing, which is a reality. So at the crux of the topic, why should somebody get their interiors done, is interiors organizes the spaces and they organize the lives. So at Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation, we organize people's lives by organizing their spaces, be it home, be it clinics, be it hospitals, be it residential, be it bungalows, be it anything. So it's the brief that is received from the client getting translated into the functionality and the design and the space planning, and then the entire project that comes up. And our USP has always been: one, quality; two, timely delivery. And it's a record that, in the last 14 years we have been very particular about giving the keys back on the committed date to the client. And third is after sale service. So after our services, after our keys have been given back to the client, it is not that our relationship with the client has ended because the project has ended. The relationship starts when the keys are handed over to the client, because that's when he will need us the most, whenever there is any kind of service that to be given with reference to the entire space that was planned and executed by us. So I hope this session, this live session, adds some value in terms of understanding why someone should get their spaces, interiors done. And I will be going live every Friday with one topic. So I will be announcing, I usually announce one day in advance about the topic and the time that we are going to go live on. And I hope you find this interesting. Thank you very much for joining me. If there are any questions, please feel free to DM me, or you can write in the comments below. Okay, so I'm ending the live right now, and see you soon on the next Friday, same time, 5 o'clock. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being there. Thank you for joining in. If you have any questions on interiors, anything related to any interior job, or anything related to kitchens specifically, you can DM me and I can answer your query. And we take turnkey projects, and we also specialize into kitchens, execution, space planning and execution of kitchens. See you. Bye.